Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick heads up, if you are using the Brave web browser for desktop, that Brave has now received the security fix that rolled out for Google Chrome over the last day or so. And that's obviously because Brave is based on that open source Chromium platform. And the browser has been bumped up to version 1.58.137. And that's been upgraded from 0.135 to 137, and the Chromium platform 117.0.5938.153. So this is the important bit with this update. And the release notes don't tell us what the update includes, but obviously I would strongly suggest that this is the security fix that rolled out for Google Chrome. And that addresses one security issue, which is high risk. So it's important. High risk is just below critical. And it's CVE 202353446, which addresses an issue with type confusion in the V8 JavaScript engine, which is part of the open source Chromium platform. And there are no 0 days or exploits in the wild, but nonetheless, high risk vulnerability. Double check your browsers up to date. And over and above that, I'm not seeing anything else that's changed with this update. At this stage, it doesn't seem to be a bug fix update, just that security update. And just wanted to give you a heads up if you are using Brave. So double check your browsers up to date because it is your first line of defense. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.